You're learning to solve division problems by equal sharing. The equation says 30 divided by 5. So I might have 30 pieces of Lego and I'm going to share it with 5 people in the class. So we need to draw our 5 groups so we can share it out evenly. Okay, so then I could get my 30 and start counting on 30 dots. Or for this one, I know I could use my skip counting in 5s because I know it's going to have some 5s. So I'm going to say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we've got our 30 pieces of Lego. How many groups did we need to count in 5s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that was 6 times 5 equals 30. And this one is asking us 5 times what equals 30. So I can reverse it, and I now know that it will be 5 groups and that there will be 6 pieces of Lego for everyone in the group. Or for each 5 children, they will get 6 pieces of Lego each. So I used what I already know to help me work out a division problem. This equation says 20 divided by 10. So I have to share 20 apples between 10 people. So I want to find out how much they're going to get each. So I need to share them equally. Now I'm going to have to do 10 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to share them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and spread them out evenly. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I can see that there is 2 in each group. So 20 shared or divided by 10 would mean they would get 2 each. You also might be able to think in your head, you might think that 10 times what equals 20? And you might think, oh, I know that 10 times 2 equals 20. So you might have been able to know straight away that they would get 2 biscuits each. But if you didn't know straight away, then you could come to the even sharing of the groups. Equation says 18 divided by 2. So I've got 18 apples and I want to share them into 2 even groups. So I've got my 2 even groups and I could start spreading them, could start sharing 18 out evenly. But I also can use my doubles because it's 2 even groups. I can think of what plus what equals 18. Or I know that my 2 means 2 even groups, means I can half it. I can think, what is half of 18? And I know that 9 plus 9 is 18. So I don't have to do all the dots because I know it in my head. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. So if it's 2 even groups, use your doubles or half it. The equation says 16 divided by 4. So it tells me I've got 16 of something. It might be Nana gives the family $16 to share between the 4 children. So how much money are they going to get each? So I've got to put my equal sets. I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to draw the money in. So I'm going to evenly share it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I've used up the $16. I've shared it evenly into 4 groups and I can see that there is 4 in each group. So the children will get $4 each. So that must mean that 4 times 4 equals 16.